In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add coupon in Wix Quick and Easy 2026 tutorial. First, head over to wix.com and sign in to your account. From your list of sites, open the one you want to manage. This brings you to your site's dashboard, which is your control center for store settings, products, and promotions. On the left-hand panel of the dashboard, look for the section labeled Catalog. This is where your items and related store tools live. Click it to expand the options, then choose Coupons. This area is dedicated to creating and managing discount codes for your store. Next, click New Coupon. You'll be prompted to choose the type of promotion you want to offer. Pick the format that matches your goal. For example, a percentage off is great for site-wide sales, a fixed amount off works well for higher-priced items, and a delivery-related option can help encourage larger carts if you offer shipping or delivery. Selecting the right type here keeps your discount simple and clear for customers. Now, enter your coupon code. This is what shoppers will type at checkout, so make it short, memorable, and easy to share. All caps with a simple phrase works well. Avoid similar looking characters to reduce typos, and consider something that reflects the promotion, like a seasonal theme or campaign name. Give your coupon a name. This is usually internal, so make it descriptive enough that you and your team can instantly recognize it later, something like Spring Launch 20% or VIP Welcome. Set your discount percentage if you chose a percentage-based coupon. Think about your margins and the value you want to deliver. A modest discount can drive conversions without cutting too deep, while a stronger incentive can help clear inventory or promote a special event. Enter the number that aligns with your plan. Under Apply To, choose the category you want the coupon to affect. Targeting a specific category is useful when you're promoting a collection or excluding items you can't discount. Selecting the correct scope ensures the offer works exactly where you intend. If you need more control, add a limit on uses. This helps prevent abuse and creates urgency. You can cap the total number of redemptions or use limits to keep the promotion aligned with your inventory and budget. When everything looks right, click Create Coupon. Your discount is now saved and ready to use at checkout. Share the code with your audience, include it in your marketing, and you're set. That's all it takes to add a coupon in Wix. Quick, clear, and effective.